Hi everyone, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Jackson and Garland are going to show you a little craft that you can do for this month for the Breastplate of Righteousness. And so what we did was we printed the first page of the printable. We printed it on thicker paper. This just helps for you to not be able to see through it really easily. You can do it on regular paper, but as you can see here, it kind of shows through if you use regular printer paper a little easier than thicker. If you have some cardstock and you can print on it, that's ideal. So what we're going to do is take this blank one and we are going to use a glue stick and glue all over the back of that. Jackson, can you do that for us?
Yeah.
Okay. Show how that's done.
So do you do this?
Yep, just go ahead.
Follow a line. Tape the glue. Glue it.
All right, can you do a big X in the middle?
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Now it's my turn.
Okay. All right, so now we are going to take the verse that we want to show through and we are going to line it up really nice on here. Can you line that up, Jackson?
Yeah.
All right, let go for just a second. Okay. Oh, let go. Hang on. Okay, we want it nice and straight.
Now glue on
It's
my
okay.
hand.
It's okay.
I just went like this.
You're fine.
Are you gonna napkin at the end?
Yes, this is kind of hard to do one-handed, but it'll be fine. Okay, so now we got this pretty straight. You cannot see the verse, but Jackson, here, let me have the glue stick. And you can laminate this and it'll still work. I have tried this with laminating it. Okay, so Garland, can you hold it up to the window so we can see through it?
Yeah.
Or Jackson? Jackson, do you want to show? Hold it up to the window so you can see the verse through it.
Ugh. I'm gonna do this.
Excellent. So you can read right through there. Blessed are they who observe justice, who do righteousness at all times. And if you line it up a little bit better, then the verse will line up a little bit better. But it just gives you a fun idea when it's not in the window. And then the other thing you can do is if it's nighttime or if your kids like flashlights, you can shine a light from behind and it'll show up that way too. All right. Well, if you do this craft, please take pictures and share with the CTR team. We'd love to see what you're doing.